one of us to drive you back.
Oh, you've done quite enough already, Mr. Cartwright. Thank you so much.
You're more than welcome.
Well, goodbye, and thank you all.
Nice meeting you. I'll walk you to the buggy.
I'm afraid I'll never be able to repay you, Mr. Keller.
Don't think anything about it.
Strikes gold and rescues a pretty girl. Some fellas have all the luck.
Yeah, well,
It's kind of cute.
it seems very nice.
Mr. Cartwright? If I get all those strays in this afternoon, can I have tomorrow off?
Yes, I suppose so. Any particular reason you'd like to have the day off?
I just thought I'd ride into Virginia City.
Yeah, well, he's got money in the bank. He probably wants to go in and watch it grow.